In the silent reaches of deep space, nearly 1 billion miles from our warm and familiar sun, Saturn glows like a lantern in the dark. Encircled by icy rings and cloaked in mystery, Saturn has fascinated humanity for thousands of years. To the ancient Babylonians, it was a wandering star. To Galileo, it was an enigma. To modern astronomers, it is a world of contradictions, a planet so massive, yet so light, so far, yet so intricately detailed. And while its rings often steal the show, Saturn's atmosphere hides even greater wonders. This is not just a story of clouds. It's a story of chemistry, physics, motion, and color. It's a journey into one of the most extraordinary natural systems in the solar system, a colossal, living sky that stretches thousands of kilometers deep. This is Saturn's atmosphere, a colorful, chaotic, and still largely unexplored mystery. From a distance, Saturn appears serene. Its pastel bands suggest calm, like brush strokes on a giant canvas. But this calm is an illusion. Beneath the cloud tops, Saturn is alive with motion, constantly shifting, constantly swirling. Winds howl at incredible speeds, over 1,000 miles per hour near the equator, making Saturn one of the windiest planets ever observed. The planet is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, the same building blocks as stars. But mixed within are trace gases like methane, ammonia, and water vapor. These gases exist in different layers, reacting with sunlight and each other to form Saturn's muted but complex colors. The topmost clouds, made of ammonia ice, reflect light in pale yellows and creams. Deeper layers contain ammonium hydrosulfide and water clouds, but we've never seen these directly. Only their signatures through infrared and spectroscopic data. The deeper you go, the stranger things become. Temperatures and pressures increase rapidly. Hydrogen gas becomes compressed, first into a liquid, and eventually, it may become metallic hydrogen, an exotic substance theorized to exist only under immense pressure. It is this compressed hydrogen that may help generate Saturn's powerful magnetic field. Unlike Earth, Saturn doesn't have a surface. There's no ground to walk on, no ocean to land in. What we call the surface is really just the outermost visible cloud layer, a boundary between sunlight and gas. And it's here, in this translucent region, that we see bands, lighter and darker stripes circling the planet parallel to the equator. These bands aren't random. They're created by zonal jet streams that move at different speeds and directions. Similar bands exist on Jupiter, but on Saturn, they're smoother, more subtle, and more difficult to distinguish without close inspection. But Saturn isn't just bands and clouds. It's a planet of storms, massive ones. Deep within the atmosphere, convective activity builds, hot gases rise, cool gases fall, and enormous thunderstorms are born. These storms are far more intense than anything on Earth. Lightning bolts on Saturn are hundreds, sometimes thousands, of times more powerful than those on our planet. And the storms can last not for hours, but weeks or months. In some cases, they become planetary-scale events. Roughly once every Saturnian year, about 29.5 Earth years, a titanic storm erupts in the planet's northern hemisphere. Known as the Great White Spot, this storm system begins as a bright white blemish and quickly grows to encircle the entire planet. In 2010, the Cassini spacecraft captured the birth of such a storm in stunning detail. It roared across the globe for nearly a year, creating atmospheric chaos and leaving behind massive cloud trails and turbulent wake patterns that took years to settle. The power behind such storms is staggering. Scientists believe they're seasonal, linked to the warming of Saturn's upper atmosphere during its long summer. As heat accumulates and convection builds, pressure is released in an explosive burst, a bit like a planet-sized pressure cooker letting off steam. But perhaps the most bizarre and iconic atmospheric phenomenon on Saturn isn't found at the equator. It's at the North Pole. There, surrounding the pole like the lid of a spinning top, is a storm shaped like a perfect hexagon. Yes, a hexagon. First observed by the Voyager spacecraft in the early 1980s and later studied in detail by Cassini, the hexagon is a massive jet stream stretching about 20,000 miles across, nearly twice the diameter of Earth. It rotates slowly, completing a full spin every 10 hours and 39 minutes, matching the rotation of the planet's deep interior. And unlike storms on Earth, this structure appears to be stable. It doesn't drift, dissipate, or change shape over time. For decades, it's remained in place, a permanent feature in a world of flux. What causes this strange shape? Scientists believe it's the result of a fluid dynamics phenomenon, specifically a standing wave pattern. Laboratory experiments have shown that when fluids are rotated at different speeds, polygonal shapes can naturally emerge. But Saturn's hexagon is unique in scale and symmetry. No other planet in the solar system has anything quite like it. And what lies beneath it? A massive polar vortex, a deep, swirling storm, much like a hurricane, with a clearly defined eye and powerful winds spiraling inward. The South Pole has a similar vortex, but no hexagon. Another mystery. To better understand Saturn's atmosphere, scientists turned to technology, and for over a decade, they had the perfect tool, Cassini. Launched in 1997 and arriving at Saturn in 2004, Cassini spent 13 years orbiting the gas giant, capturing millions of images and collecting a treasure trove of data. It observed seasonal changes, measured the composition of the clouds, tracked wind speeds, and analyzed temperature gradients. It revealed the full complexity of Saturn's atmosphere, its layers, its patterns, its chemistry, and its motion. Cassini also made a surprising discovery: ring rain. The planet's rings, made mostly of water ice, are not just orbiting passively. They are interacting with the atmosphere. Tiny particles from the rings, influenced by Saturn's magnetic field, fall into the atmosphere, contributing to chemical reactions and possibly affecting the formation of upper cloud layers. It's a subtle but constant exchange, tying the rings and the atmosphere together in an unexpected cycle. In 2017, as Cassini's fuel dwindled, NASA sent it on one final mission, the grand finale. The spacecraft dove between Saturn and its rings, passing through regions never before explored. It skimmed the top of the atmosphere, measuring density, composition, and magnetic fields. And then, on September 15, 2017, Cassini plunged into Saturn, burning up in the atmosphere it had studied for so long. It died sending back data, giving us one final glimpse into the mystery before being consumed by the very planet it came to understand. And yet, even now, after everything we've seen, everything we've measured, everything we've learned, Saturn still holds countless secrets. What happens in the deeper layers of the atmosphere, where pressures are so great that gases behave like liquids? What is the true nature of Saturn's core? How does the planet's internal heat affect its atmospheric behavior? Could alien worlds, far beyond our solar system, have similar or even stranger atmospheres waiting to be explored? Saturn's atmosphere is not just a scientific curiosity. It's a window into the mechanisms that govern giant planets, both in our solar system and beyond. It challenges our understanding of physics, chemistry, and planetary dynamics. And it reminds us, again and again, that nature is capable of creating wonders far more beautiful and mysterious than we can imagine. In the end, Saturn is more than just rings. It is a world of swirling gases, of invisible forces and visible chaos. A planet of beauty, power, and symmetry. A planet with a hexagon in the clouds and lightning in the deep. A planet that whispers its mysteries through the movement of air and the color of light. A planet that, even now, invites us to keep asking questions. Saturn's atmosphere. A colorful mystery. A timeless story still unfolding in the cold and quiet depths of space.